That sale just got snake bit. Hey guys, Snake here, Tampa Bay Pickers.
Mom Snake here.
Princess Snake. Any snake.
Anyway, so we today is Saturday, ironically, but we're not yard sailing, and we didn't yard sale last weekend either. Obviously due to COVID-19. We're heeding the word of the CDC, and we have been for the last, week and a half? Yeah.
Week.
Well, actually 2 weeks, because the weekend before that, we were very careful. Still. Right, but we did go yard sailing. We just made sure we sanitized every time and stuff like that. So anyway, yeah, so we've been, being as cautious as we possibly can. Yeah, so we haven't been yard sailing for the past 2 weekends
left
now.
The house. Really.
Yeah, we haven't left the house. We're self-quarantined, not because of actually having the coronavirus, but just being safe. And yeah, I mean, it's a rough time for all of us. It really sucks that we're not getting any inventory, because we're not taking any trips to any thrifts, or I mean, literally not doing anything. The only reason we're out today is because we are going to Abuela's house. For those of you who don't know what that means, that's grandma in Spanish, and it's actually abuela. Abuela for short. Yeah, Abuela's like slang, yeah. So we're going over her house to hang out a little bit. There's only 3 of them in the household, so there's a total of 7 of us total. So I guess we're within the guideline of no more than 10 people. Yeah, but anyway, so I guess we're just making this short video to let you guys know that we're okay. We're chilling and taking precautions, and we're hopefully riding this thing out. I know there's a lot of people out there that have a lot more going on, like the fact that you have to work, even though this COVID-19 thing is happening. Some of you not by choice, some of you by choice. I mean, to each his own. I would say that, the only recommendation I would make to everybody out there is to not only think about yourself, but think about the people around you, and you guys can take that for what it's worth. So over here in Florida, Hillsborough County, the wife and kids are out of school until April 15th.
We're not out. We will be doing school. We will just be doing school from home.
Right. Well, yeah, there's going to be some homeschooling going on.
Teachers still have to work, and so thankfully we're still working, though, because that means that we're still looking at getting out at our normal time for summer vacation. So that's good to know, too.
And we're getting
a
paycheck. Yeah.
Yes, and we're getting paid.
There's a lot of you out there that may not be getting paid throughout this, and I feel really bad for you. Hopefully our government will come through, do the right thing and make sure that everyone's taken care of. And again, for whatever that means to each individual person, you take it for what it's worth. What were you gonna say, babe?
I was gonna say that my friend Brooke told me that that her mom heard from one of the teachers that it's not that our school isn't going to be cut into the summer because of whatever reason.
We're still doing schooling.
Yeah, because you guys are still going to be.
But it's not going to. But because we lost all this school time, it's not going to cut into our summertime like everybody says it is going to be.
Mm-hmm. So yeah. Yeah. So anyway, guys, stay home if you can. Play video games, play board games, watch movies. Crafts.
Amazon crafts are so cheap and so worth it.
Yeah, Netflix. I mean,
catch up on shows.
I know it's boring being stuck in the house a lot, but find yourself a hobby and get her done.
Yeah, and the pools are warming up, so I just want to put it out there. If you have a pool, get out there and use it, because get you some sunshine. At least an hour a day is good for you.
So as far as the videos, we're gonna try and put something out every week, but as far as what's happening for us, absolutely nothing. We're riding out our inventory. You know, we have quite a large inventory, so
Thank goodness.
thankfully. So we're just, you know, selling. Things have slowed down quite a bit for us. I don't know how you guys are doing, but slowed down quite a bit for us. Sales have definitely, or this has definitely impacted our sales, but we're still selling some items. So we're staying afloat. Mama Snake's still getting paid, so that's good. So yeah, we're all good here. We're gonna try and cut a video every month. Don't know what it's gonna, or every week. We don't know what it's gonna be on, but we'll try and do something. As you guys know, I'm not a big fan of doing the whole what sold thing. But if you guys want to see something like that, maybe I can start doing that once a month, or maybe I can do a video like that until this COVID-19 thing passes.
Also, if you guys have education questions, you're curious about how to do math problems, or you need help with whatever your teachers are sending home for your kids, you can always comment in the messages or in our comments, and I'll try and get back to you if I can and I have an answer. If not, I'll put your question out there and I'll see what I can do just to kind of help you guys out, because we're all in this together with the whole homeschooling thing. So it's a learning curve for everybody.
You know, that's a really good point. I'm glad that you brought that up. Yes, Mama Snake is a special education teacher, and she's going to be doing some homeschooling with the kids until this whole thing is over. So yeah, just to reiterate, if you guys have any questions pertaining to ideas or anything like that that pertain to schooling for your child while you guys are home, by all means, leave a comment, and Mama Snake will get back at you. So I think we're good. I don't know. Anything else you guys want to mention, or?
I miss yard sailing.
I do too. I really miss yard sailing. I really do. But
I want to go home.
go home.
We've been home.
We're only going to you.
What are you talking about?
I want to go home.
She wants to go home so she can play more Fortnite.
Fortnite? Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
addicted. Sorry.
Yeah.
Hey, stop. Drake always sings the song.
Hey, if you guys want to check out a really cool game, Slay the Spire is awesome.
Yeah, but it's a single player board game, or a single player
Deck builder.
deck builder.
It's awesome though.
It's on Steam.
Drake always sings a song that's from FGTV that says, give me my kids back, but instead Drake says, give me my sister back, Fortnite. And I'm addicted to it, because I always tell him, Drake, after this, I'm going to play Fortnite. He's like, don't you dare.
Yeah, so we know what Princess Snake is doing for her the next couple of weeks.
No, she'll be doing some education.
Yeah, but that's not all day. Come
No.
on.
Then after, I play Fortnite.
Yeah, 2-3 hours a day of education, and then play
Like
the
an
rest.
hour.
We're on a tangent here.
Yes,
so.
we are.
All right, so I'm gonna cut the video. Stay safe, guys, and we'll hope to see you guys next week. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Get snake bit.